Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today, we are here to learn about seasons in India. In India, mostly we see five seasons, that is, summer, rainy or monsoon, winter, autumn, and spring. Now we will see the season, what actually happens during the seasons. First, summer season. Summer is a hot season. The sun shines very brightly. Days are longer than nights. Air conditioners, coolers are used. People drink and eat cool things like cold drinks and ice creams. People wear cotton and light colored clothes to keep their body cool. Monsoon or rainy season. Monsoon is the wet season. Sky is covered with grey clouds. Rainbow can be seen. Cool wind blows and the temperatures drops quickly. Rains helpful in agriculture and farming and used to make electricity in dams, but when it rains heavily it causes waterlogging which could cause diseases like dengue, malaria, etc. People often like to eat pakoras and drink hot tea. Raincoat, gumboots, and mixed cotton and polyester material is comfortable in this season. Winter season. Winter is a cold season. The days are chilly and cold wind blows. It is a healthy season. We get variety of fruits and vegetables. We should wear warm woolen clothes like sweater, jackets, caps, muffler, etc. We should eat dry fruits and fruits to keep our body healthy and warm. Heater and blankets are used in the season. Autumn or fall season. Autumn is a dull season. The leaves of the trees turn yellow and fall to the ground. A strong wind blows during the season. This season comes after the rainy season and before the winter season. Spring season. Spring is a pleasant season. Flowers bloom. Butterfly and bees flit around. You feel happy in this season. So kids, in this way, we have great diversity of seasons. So we should enjoy all the season and stay healthy. Thank you.